What's up, everybody? I'm Andre, and this is Edible Taste Testing? All right, so you've already seen it in the thumbnail, you saw the intro picture, you know I'm talking about Outcast. Obvious question, what is Outcast? Outcast is a sustainable food tech company. They take our undesirable fruit and vegetables and turn them into something, well, desirable. They're literally the epitome of the saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure. A Statistics Canada survey was conducted between the years 2017 and 2018 and revealed this. In Canada alone, 4.4 million people were suffering from some form of food insecurity, and that included over 1.2 million children under the age of 18. Food security can basically be defined as a lack of consistent access to enough food for an active and healthy lifestyle. Easing this, lowering the carbon footprint of the food supply chain, and solving our food waste problem is the mission of Outcast. I'm anticipating your next question might be, how do they do that? Well, it all begins with working with socially conscious farmers, producers, and grocers. They take their unsellable produce, which would probably end up in landfills, and create plant-based nutrition for you and I. Currently on their website, you can find things like Super Greens, a powerful blend of organic greens and mushrooms. MG Boost, designed to complement a healthy diet by promoting rest, fast recovery, and increased energy. And these, protein powders, which is what I'm talking about today. Fruit Explosion, mint chocolate chip, lemon meringue pie. Now these are just a sample size, but you can get them in serving sizes of 28 to 30. And in each scoop, you will find 20 grams of protein, 6 servings of fruits and veggies, 0 grams of added sugar, gluten-free, low calorie, and vegan. So because I had 3, I was not about to try all of them in one sitting. That's just crazy. So what I did was I had them at 3 different occasions. I had one in the morning, one after a workout, and then one in the evening. So I've tried them out. I can basically give you my opinion right now. I don't know about those of you that take protein. I don't know what your criteria is, but one of the things that I cannot stand, and you can tell me in the comments below if you're the same way, I hate it when my protein powder does not mix. It is the most frustrating thing. You put the water in, you shake it up, and then it's just clump city. So annoying. This does not do that. So that was the first thing that made me happy. Second thing that made me happy was the flavor. Oh my life. So good. This is the chocolate mint.
Chocolate? Chocolate!
And let me tell you, you're getting chocolate mint. The mint is strong, the chocolate is strong. It is good. The lemon meringue pie, so good. And then with the fruit one, Fruit Loops, it shows it on the package as well. You can see it's got like the little Fruit Loops kind of a look to it. So good, so good. Number 1, does it mix well? 2, does it have a great flavor? Yes and yes on both accounts. I will say though, when you have it on its own with just water and you mix it up, it's a little chalky. Gotta be honest with y'all, it's a little chalky. Do I hate it? No, it wasn't so bad. I was just like, no, I'm never trying this again, obviously, because I picked up some more samples, but it is, yeah, you can expect that. What I will say on top of that, as a plus, is that use it in a smoothie and you won't notice that at all. You know, I put it in with bananas and a couple of fruit, and then some almond milk, or, you know, some days I'll use water. Amazing, amazing. It's good stuff. Beyond the obvious good that you're doing, helping out the planet, which it totally needs right now, it's sometimes really difficult for vegans to find protein that is really good. And this is that. Outcast is a great option for you. Even if you're not a vegan, you gotta try out these flavors. I mean, come on. Fruit Loops. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. This was just a quick little review about something totally awesome. And if you want more what am I saying? Of course you want more information. I'm gonna leave links to their Instagram page and their website down below. So go and check them out, give them some love and some of your money. All joking aside, I hope you have a fantastic day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.